All right. All right, guys. So, for today's life skills lessons, we're going to learn how to fold clothes. So, let's go ahead and get started. Today, our objective is learning how to fold clothes appropriately. Why is it important? It is important because you can be more organized. Your clothes is placed neatly and easily, and it's easily accessible. So that way, every time you need to find a shirt, it's easy for you to find it. When you fold it, everything is more neat. It's more organized, and it helps you as you get older to maintain that cleanliness because it's also good hygiene. Practice folding. So here's a short video that I'm gonna play for you. So that was just a short video. So now your turn. Let's try. So let's pick up a towel, lay it on the table, smooth towel flat, and then you are going to grab two corners on top. Then you're going to pick up corners, fold the corners to the bottom edge, smooth towel, and then grab the two corners on top, pick up the corners, fold the corners to bottom edge, smooth out the towel, move the towel to basket side closet. That was very brief. You can use these steps to help you practice with the towel, but here's another short video on how you can do it, and he'll be explaining as he goes.
Today we're going to learn how to fold a bath towel. First thing we're going to do is we're going to lay out our bath towel flat on a table. Make sure it's nice and flat. Then we're going to fold it in half from top to bottom. Then we're going to take it, we're going to fold it in half again from left to right. Next, we're going to fold it again in half from top to bottom. And then last, we're going to put it into a pile of folded bath towels.
Perfect. So now that you have an idea on how to fold a towel, it's your turn to try.
Today we're going to learn.
Good luck. Let me know how that goes. We'll be practicing all week.